Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a WeatherGuard 3-hook cord holder. Let's get into it. All right, this is a pretty simple WeatherGuard red zone accessory. It's just gonna be 3-hook holder and the hardware to install it. Pretty simple. We have our 3-hook holder here, nicely bagged to prevent scratching and dings and so on and so forth. This is a steel product. This is in their, a lot of their red zone accessories are kind of this accent red color. The WeatherGuard shelving or all the WeatherGuard shelving and the partitions are going to be that bright white finish. Then you have these little accents in red that look really nice. Their bins are red. Some of their accessories like this are red. We do have 2 holes right here for mounting it. A lot of times you're gonna put this on the back of a shelf end panel or on your partition, something like that. You really can put it wherever you want. And then we do have just 2 bolts, washers, and nuts to secure it. And also in the box, we have installation instructions. This is just kind of a generic installation sheet for all their different accessories on how to properly install it onto a shelf end panel or whatever you may need to do with that. The great thing about WeatherGuard products, they have the lifetime warranty, so you don't have to worry about any defects or anything like that because you're gonna be covered. Just a quick couple of measurements here. In case you are interested, just our distance between these hooks are gonna be 4 inches on center. And then the total width on this is 9 inches. And these come out about 4 1/4 inch. So, in case you are wondering the distance between our mounting holes right here, we are at 6 1/2 inches on center. So, pretty simple product right here. Now, if you're looking for this 3-hook holder or any other accessories for your van equipment, shelving, ladder racks, steps, ramps, whatever it may be, we've got whatever you need to get your van or truck ready for work at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.